there. In this question, you are looking for the two animal species that are most closely related. And to determine which ones are most closely related, we want to look for the two that have the most amino acids in common. In other words, nearly the same sequence of amino acids, at least in the sampling you were given. So as we compare each of these, we see that number 1 and number 3 have 4 of the 5 amino acids are the same in those sequences that were given to you. They have, the met is the same.